This Kingslim D4 dash camera promises 4K quality and lots of higher-end features for a relatively low price. But can it deliver? Let's check it out. So that's what the camera is going to look like. Looks like a pretty cool modern design, so I do like that a lot. Here on the bottom, we can see that it's going to do 4K for the front camera and 1080p for the rear. So this is a dual camera. We have a Sony Starvis sensor, so that usually means we're going to have good night footage. We'll check that out, of course. 3-inch IPS touchscreen, so that's good. You'll be able to see well in the sun because it's IPS, and touchscreen just makes it easier to use. It also has a built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, which is awesome because that means we can connect it via an app if we want to. And we have GPS, which will give us speed reading and location while we are driving. So that's pretty cool. Here in the back, we have a couple more features that it's highlighting. Loop recording, of course, that's good. Emergency recording, so it has a G sensor. It will save certain recordings separately so they don't get overwritten because it is overwriting stuff. Parking monitor, if you get a hardwire kit, I didn't get one. 170-degree wide field of view. Very nice, so you should be able to see, side to side without any problems. It supports up to 256 micro SD card, which is not included, so that's something to consider. And it has a waterproof rear camera and a few more details here that we can see. So it can operate between -20 and 60 C or -4 and 140 Fahrenheit. I don't know, it's like -19 right now outside. We'll definitely see if it works, so it's going to be a good test for it. All right, let's open it up and see what's included. Okay, so here is the camera itself. Looks just like on the picture on the box, so that makes sense. We'll take that off so we can see the lens. Looks like it's going to have a base which has the GPS built in. I do like that it's easy to remove if you live in a country or place where you want to remove it when you park the car somewhere. I know that's a thing for some people. On the left side here, we have a mini USB port and a micro SD card slot. We have an LED, a microphone, and a power button. On this side, there's nothing. On the bottom, there's nothing. And at the top, probably a wire for the rear camera. Okay, so it says take off the film, put the card in, and then connect it to your charger in the car. Screen looks great. All right, let's put that to the side, see what else comes in the box. All right, so we get a bunch of wires. Of course, we have the base, so that's what has the GPS built in. Okay, we have our rear camera, so this one can be installed outside, which will give you a much better quality footage since you're not gonna have, tinted windows and things like that in the way. It has one of these detachable wires, so you can unplug it, route it through with a much thinner wire, and then plug it in at the very end. Okay, and that's the cable, which should reach the back of your car. We also have a few of the adhesives, very nice, and a couple of little guide clips right here, so you can put them on the side and guide your wire through. We also have a power adapter, which can provide 2.5 amps. And we have, oh, I love these. We have a couple of these like sticker plastic type of things. You put that on your windshield and then you can stick the dash cam to it. And if you want to move it or anything like that, you can easily peel this off without having super strong adhesive on your windshield. Love that stuff. Of course, you have your activation and warranty stuff and a quick start guide. But yeah, looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and get this installed in the car, go for a drive, and we'll take a look at the day and night footage. All right, so I have installed it in my car and plugged it in, formatted the SD card, and now it started recording automatically. So we have GPS signal. We don't have Wi-Fi on right now because we don't need it, and the microphone is off. You have a few options here at the bottom, so you have this button right here that stops recording, okay? And then we can continue to record. We can turn on and off the audio, so you can record audio, or you can just disable it so you don't record what's happening in the car. You can press this lock icon and that will lock the file and prevent that from being deleted. And of course, you can go back here to review the files that have been already recorded. So you're gonna have those in here. And then of course we can go back and go to the settings. So let's see what's in the settings. In the settings, we can change the resolution. We can go from 4K to 2K. Both of them say that they are at 30 frames per second. Speed units, we can change those to miles per hour, which I just did. Screen dormant, so I think that's a screensaver. So we can I'll leave that off. Collision sensitivity low, otherwise it'll beep at you every time you hit a bump, so I do prefer that. Parking monitor is off because I don't have it hardwired in. We have audio, so I'm gonna leave that on, and then you have volume, so I'm gonna mute that so it doesn't beep at me every time I move around. We have loop recording between 1 minute to 3 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna select 1. I feel like it's safer to do so. Time settings, so you can probably use GPS or enter it manually. And here it is. It already picked the correct date for me, so I'm gonna leave it alone. And you can choose a time zone here as well. And of course, we can choose all of these languages if you prefer to. I'm gonna leave it at English. Format the SD card. You can turn off the GPS if you want, or reset the system. And that's it. So pretty simple settings. Let's go for a drive. The install of the camera isn't any more difficult than any other dual camera. But do keep in mind that you have to route the wire all the way to the rear and outside of the car if you'd like to install the rear camera by the license plates as it's intended. Of course, it can easily just be installed inside the car on the rear glass with the adhesive strip that's included. Anyway, let's talk about the footage you are seeing now. During the day, Kingslim's video quality is crisp and clear, even in a very contrasting conditions like I have here. Alright, so I wanted to test the microphone as well. I'm sitting about 2 feet away from the camera. There will be some snow flying through the camera and other things like that, but I want to see what the quality is like. This is going to be a very hard task for the camera because we have white sky, we have some white ground and snow everywhere, plus the dark road. There's also sun peeking out on the left, so there's a lot of work to be done as far as HDR and WDR as well. So let's see how well it handles it. We can see that HDR has done a decent job of making the sky and the road in focus, and neither is blown out. This is indicative of a good sensor and fast processor. My editing software reports 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, and the footage is fluid enough to confirm those claims. While the rear camera records at a lower 1080p and 25 frames per second, you can still make out details and license plates. So it does its job in identifying what is behind you. This rear camera also has an ability to be your reversing camera if you choose to wire it to your reverse lights, as it has a trigger wire for this. Nighttime can be very difficult on the dash cams as there are extreme lighting conditions from very bright to very dark and even flashes of light hitting the sensor. The front camera sensor manages to deal with these situations well, and even with a slightly dirty windshield from the salty roads, you can easily make out license plates and other cars. At this price point, I don't think I have seen better night footage in these conditions. The rear camera tries its best to do well, but with no help from the headlights, the footage can be overexposed and the streetlights or headlights distorted. It's better than most rear camera night footage videos I have seen, but nothing to brag about. In the future, I would mount the rear camera at a higher angle to make sure the headlights are not pointing directly at the camera. Let me know what you think of the driving footage of both cameras down below. As I mentioned earlier, the Kingslim D4 is equipped with Wi-Fi and GPS, which comes in very useful for having exact location of the incident, but also in connecting your phone to the camera. While the camera actually has a decent user interface, to get the data off, you'd have to take the micro SD card out and plug it into your computer or connect using their app. I have had no issues with the app. I was able to live preview and I was able to very easily download a clip to my phone. It's not the fastest way of getting the video to the phone, but exactly what you need in an emergency. You can also adjust the same settings in the app as you could on the dashcam itself. So can this Kingslim D4 deliver? At the time of this review, the camera is $110 on Amazon, and at this price, it over-delivers on the video and the feature qualities, as you get a lot for your money. I like the main camera video sensor and built-in HDR. The screen is also very easy to see in the direct light and easy to operate. One thing I do wish they included was ability to flip the rear camera into software to allow customers more ways of mounting the camera. I also think they should include an SD card so it's ready to use out of the box. This camera is hard to beat at this price, and I would recommend it to anyone that cares about good quality footage, sleek design, and ease of use. If you like this video, why not check out this helpful video that just popped up for you? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.